Hello guys! Today again using the recipe that you can find in our book, we will make another cold cut. Many of you told me that the Parma ham, the prosciutto crudo, was too big to make at home, so now we will do a small version using the tomahawk steak. I hope that pronunciation is correct. Plus some people ask me, can we use cow or beef to make prosciutto? Today we will use it following the recipe that you find in our book on page 151, that is violino d'agnello, that in English is lamb dry cured ham. Instead of the lamb, we will use the cow. So now we need to clean our meat. We will keep the bone because we will hang it like prosciutto. But because the meat is a little bit soft, remember that I am in Thailand, so the meat, this kind of meat is imported, so I don't know what kind of situation faced during the traveling, so it's a little bit soft. Better to tie it. If not, when we will hang it will be complicated, so it's better to tie at the beginning. We need to remove all the small pieces of meat. They are hanging, so they're not attached each other. And also all the pieces where there is blood. Same things when we have done the prosciutto crudo, the parma, because if the blood remains inside the meat, after the meat will be spoiled. There is no specific technique to tie the meat. The best will be to have a net, the elastic net for cold cuts. In this way the meat will be more tight together, but you can tie it like me. You need to try to give the shape of a prosciutto or Parma ham. The meat is 1 kilogram, so we need 35-36 grams of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 pinch of paprika, 4-5 grams of black pepper, a little bit grounded, 5 bay leaves. Now we need to massage our meat with the spices. I don't know if you've noticed, I use only half of this ingredient of the salt, the sugar, all the spices, because these other half we will use in today's. Now I will cut 1 clove garlic in small pieces, add to the bag, close very well and store in the fridge for 2 days. So see you in 2 days. After 2 days we can remove the meat from the bag. There is a little bit of liquid in the bag, I will show you later when I finish to massage the meat with the remaining part of salt and sugar and spices that I put apart. So we put in another bag, we add the spices, we close the bag, and now we can store again 2 days in the fridge. This is the liquid that I was mentioning, so very few liquid. Okay, see you in 2 days. After 2 days we take our tomahawk, We wash it with the wine and we cover with the pepper. So this is not a real wine. It's a kind of wine, only 5%, and they sell it in Thailand. You can find in the 7-Eleven. But sorry guys, I didn't have time to prepare the wine yet. And after, you can use, this is white pepper powder, very common here in Thailand, to cover your steak. Plus, I will use also this piece of cotton material. Usually I use this one as a filter when I do the beer. After I will do the beer, this is why I'm dressed like this. So I'm ready for later. Why I will cover the steak with this? Because when you will hang it in the fridge, full of pepper powder, every time that you open and close the fridge, the pepper will drop or inside the fridge or on the floor, and you will make a mess. I know this by experience, especially when I done the fish prosciutto that was very long and full of black pepper powder, and there was every time pepper everywhere. So let's wash our steak. Please be careful, cover all the meat with the pepper. The bone, we leave it clean. Now I hang it at room temperature for 4 hours, because here is super hot, like you can notice. If you are in a cold country like Italy in the winter, you can keep it overnight. So you keep like this 8 hours more or less, and in the morning you can store in the fridge. Remember, 4 hours when it's super hot, 8 hours when it's cool. ...770 grams, so in total our prosciutto lost 23%, so almost ready. But before we open our mummy, let's speak about the temperature and the humidity, like you have watched 3 weeks ago or a few minutes ago. I hang it in the door of the fridge, so every time that I open the fridge, the temperature and the humidity change. So the standard temperature in the fridge is 4.5 Celsius degree, but you can see that when I open the door, the temperature go high, 10 Celsius degree. Same things for the humidity. When the fridge is closed is 61.4%, but every time that I open the door to take the milk, to put the salad or other stuff, the humidity sky to 80%. So more you open it, better is it in theory, because 61% is very low. This is why after 3 weeks I want to try my prosciutto. I tied it maybe too much. Now we can remove also this string. In this way it will be easier to cut our prosciutto. Don't worry, now that it's more dry, it's more firm, For the tasting, the only problem that I have no beer, because I bottled the beer only 5 days ago. So for the beer, for the tasting with the beer, we should wait after the holidays. Spectacular. I don't know if you can see the color. Let's taste it. Very, very spectacular and yummy. The only thing, one advice before you cut it, remove a little bit of the pepper, because the prosciutto that is outside is very spicy, but inside is very sweet. It's not salty at all. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I want to start to make streaming here on the channel from the new year, so let me know which is the best time for you to watch my streaming, because I know you are living in different country. So please write down the time and also the country where you're writing from. If not, I cannot make the calculation. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try this beef prosciutto, let us know down in the comment. If you have bought our book, let us know down in the comment. And also please write a review on Amazon. In this way you will help us to sell more book also with the people that don't follow the channel yet. Bye bye.